What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, and today I'm gonna do the part 2 of this Yeezy merch that I got, which is the pants. If you look at my last video, you'll be able to see I ended up trying on the Gosha one box tee. If you want to watch that, you'll see it in the link below and at the end of this video. So today we're gonna review the Yeezy pants that Ye ended up dropping size 1 about a couple months back. Before we review this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the next upload. This is what we got, the Yeezy Gosha Vulture pants in white. I got it a size 1. If you go watch my last video, you can see that I'm 5'9", about 165, 170 pounds. I got a size 1 on the pants and on the shirt. Size 1, just because it's a small medium fit. That's the one that I ended up getting. So let's go ahead and get this out the bag. Paid $20 for it. Good price if you ask me, for some sweatpants and a tee, which I got on. These are the pants, the Vulture logo. You got like a whitish, creamish color. The pants feel super thick. Go ahead and unfold this. You got the strings right here to tighten it up. You also got the waist area. It's kind of thin. It's not like any other sweatpants you have. The Vultures printed right here. Again, I got it in a size 1. We got to take a look and see how they fit. Let's go ahead and try this on. We're about to be Yeezy down. We're about to be Yeezy down. I'm gonna have the Yeezy slides, these pants, and this shirt. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Let's go ahead and try this on. I got top piece on, the box tee with the number 1 in the back on, and then I got the sweatpants on, which are white. There's no pockets in them. Off the rip, no pockets at all. Not in the back, not in the front. They are super comfortable. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for the Yeezy Gosha pants in white. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more merch reviews, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.